Welcome to the luxurious 2016 Sea Ray 590 Fly. It is powered by triple Cummins QSC 600 motors with 800 hours on them. As we walk onto the hydraulic swim platform, you'll notice the dinghy included with the boat and the transom freshwater spigot. And to our left is the joystick docking station with shore power hookup below. Heading into the cockpit, we have this spacious wraparound seating with a flip-up adjustable table. There's also a Ray Marine security camera on board. To our left is one of the controls to the upgraded Fusion sound system, and below this is the pop-out disappearing grill and mini fridge. On port and starboard side are these quick power windlasses, and under these cockpit seats you have one of the engine room access points. Now heading up to the bridge of the boat, it is super spacious with lots of seating and dining space. Up here you have a wet bar area with another grill and a sink. Over here at the primary helm, you have joystick control with dual upgraded Ray Marine navigation panels enabled with fish finder, skyhook station keeping, and autopilot technology. The canvas covers on this bridge and throughout the yacht have been replaced, so they are in excellent condition. Heading out of the bridge, we'll make our way to the bow of the boat where the seating continues for those that want to enjoy lounging out in the sun. Making our way into the salon of the yacht, there is gorgeous inlay lighting. In the floor here, you have your primary engine room access where the spare props and generator are stored. Turbo service has recently been done as well to ensure everything is in good working condition. This entertainment area has gorgeous wraparound seating with a pull-out bed, 50-inch smart TV, sliding doors, and a pull-out table to expand the space. Over here in the cabinets, you have a wine cooler and the control station for the entertainment system. Now headed to the kitchen of the boat, there is 4 ultra-deep freezer-refrigerator combo drawers, as well as a dishwasher and microwave. You have plenty of space for cooking with these silestone quartz counters and electric stove top. And behind us, we have the large dining table that can flip up and adjust to your needs. Now here at the helm, we have dual upgraded Ray Marine navigational panels with an iPad option so you can have control from anywhere on the boat. This yacht is also upgraded with a thermal imaging camera for night boating. To our right, there is our third joystick control and the engine controls. These helm seats are also super adjustable, which is great for socializing. As we head into the living quarters, we'll come up first on our mid stateroom, which has 2 twin beds and a 24-inch flat screen TV. Here is also where you have access to the separate washer and dryer. Heading back into the hallway is where you have access to the yacht's main control panel. And to our left is the restroom shared by the mid and forward stateroom. In this restroom is a full-size sink area with cabinet storage, a toilet, and a full-length shower with a bench seat. Heading into the forward stateroom, we have full-size mirrors with closets, a queen-size bed, below-bed storage space, and a skylight to let some natural light into the space if desired. Back out in the hallway, we will head to the master bedroom, starting with the master restroom first. In here, we have a full-size mirror, a sink with storage, and a separate room for the toilet and full-size shower with bench seating. Moving out of here, we'll head toward the main room with the entertainment controls on our left in the walkway. Up here on the right, we have our lounge area, and as you look around the room, you'll notice the queen-size bed, wraparound cabinets, and the 40-inch flat-screen TV. This room also features a refrigerator and an upgraded safe for your convenience. If you are ready to make luxury your reality, visit Prince William Marina today to see this yacht for yourself.